Hey guys, welcome to the new video. Our topic is Nike Parallax cards. This code consists of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create a parallax effect for a set of cards representing Nike products. Let's break down each part. HTML. The HTML file starts with a standard document type declaration and the opening HTML tag. Inside the head section, metadata like character encoding and the page title are defined. Additionally, external CSS files are linked. The body section contains the content of the page, including a wrapper div for the cards, individual card divs with product information, and placeholders for the cards. At the end of the body, there's a credit to the creator of the code and a reference to an external JavaScript file. Let's go to CSS. The CSS file contains styles for various elements used in the HTML structure. Styles are defined for the body, wrapper, cards, card headers, card images, and other card-related elements. The CSS also includes media queries and transitions for responsive design and smooth animations. Now, go to JavaScript. The JavaScript code is enclosed in an immediately invoked function expression IFE for encapsulation. It initializes a slider object responsible for handling drag events and sliding the cards. Event listeners are added for touch and mouse events to handle dragging. Methods are defined to handle card movement based on user input, such as onStart, onMove, and onEnd. The slide left and slide right methods move the cards left or right based on the drag direction. Functions are provided to reset card positions and create a parallax effect on card elements while sliding. Overall, this code combines HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity to create a visually appealing parallax effect for the Nike product cards. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.